Fiverr Affiliate Marketing 101, a beginner's guide to earning more. Welcome, friends. Today we have an incredibly enlightening session lined up. We're talking about Fiverr Affiliate Marketing. This is your chance to delve into a world of exciting potential income and possibly change your earnings game forever. It's an adventure into digital marketing that you definitely want to be a part of. And here's the best part. You get to learn all of this from the comfort of your own space. No formal clothing, no overwhelming classrooms, just you, us, and a fantastic opportunity to earn and learn. Intrigued? Good, because that's exactly what we're diving into today. So pull up a chair, get your note-taking tools ready, and let's dive right into the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. First things first, let's see what affiliate marketing is. In the simplest terms, it's a process where you earn a commission for marketing another person's company or company's products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Think of affiliate marketing as an online referral system. You spot a product or a service you're passionate about, recommend it to your audience, and bag a portion of the profit for each purchase made through your referral. It's almost like being a digital matchmaker, pairing your audience's needs with the perfect products or services. And here's the best part. You don't need to spend time and money creating your own products. Instead, you can focus on what you love most, sharing your passion and knowledge with your audience. Affiliate marketing provides you with the opportunity to earn while adding genuine value to your audience. Now, let's talk about Fiverr. Fiverr, the online freelance marketplace, has grown exponentially since its inception. Offering a plethora of digital services from thousands of talented freelancers, Fiverr has something for everyone. And the best part? Most of these services start at a friendly price of just $5. But did you know that Fiverr isn't just for buying and selling services? That's right, Fiverr also provides an opportunity for you to earn through its affiliate marketing program. That means you can earn money just by spreading the word about the various services available on Fiverr. Fiverr Affiliate Marketing. Now let's dig into the details of Fiverr's affiliate marketing program. It's pretty straightforward. You promote Fiverr's services, and when someone makes their first purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The more first-time buyers you bring to Fiverr, the more you earn. You could potentially earn up to $150 per referral. And that's not all. Fiverr also has a dynamic CPA up to $50. So you have different ways to earn as a Fiverr affiliate. It's an opportunity to turn your digital platform into a passive income stream, making money even when you're not actively working. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Secret tips for success. Now on to the juicy part, how to succeed as a Fiverr affiliate. The journey of affiliate marketing may seem daunting initially, but with the right tips and a solid strategy, you'll be on the path to success. Tip 1. Understand your audience. Understanding your audience is at the core of successful affiliate marketing. Knowing their interests, their challenges, and their needs allows you to offer the most relevant Fiverr services. The more tailored your recommendations are, the higher the chances of your audience making a purchase. When you truly understand your audience, you can create and share content that resonates with them. This creates trust and fosters a loyal audience who values your opinions and recommendations. And a loyal audience is more likely to purchase through your affiliate links, increasing your earning potential. Tip 2. Quality content. Quality content is your ticket to capturing and holding your audience's attention. In a world saturated with content, standing out is essential, and high-quality, valuable content is how you achieve that. It's not enough to just post affiliate links and hope for the best. Your content needs to offer real value to your audience. And remember, quality content isn't just about well-written blog posts. It could be informative videos, engaging social media posts, or in-depth podcast episodes. As long as it resonates with your audience and adds value to their lives, it's quality content. And it's through this content that you can naturally incorporate your Fiverr affiliate links. Tip 3. Be honest and transparent. Honesty and transparency go a long way in establishing trust with your audience. Let them know that you'll earn a commission if they purchase through your link. Not only is this a legal requirement, but it also helps build trust with your audience. A clear and transparent relationship with your audience means they're more likely to trust your recommendations and thus more likely to click on your affiliate links. So don't shy away from being open about your affiliate links. Your audience will appreciate your honesty. Tip 4. Choose the right services. Choosing the right services to promote can mean the difference between success and failure in affiliate marketing. With thousands of services available on Fiverr, you have the opportunity to curate a selection that aligns perfectly with your audience's interests and needs. Remember, promoting services that you genuinely believe in will be more convincing and authentic to your audience. And authenticity leads to trust, which can increase the likelihood of your audience making purchases through your affiliate links. Common pitfalls to avoid. Despite the incredible opportunities affiliate marketing offers, there are some common pitfalls you should be aware of. Knowing what these are and how to avoid them can save you a lot of headaches and heartache. Pitfall 1. Spamming links. Spamming your affiliate links can be off-putting to your audience and may even harm your reputation. It's important to understand that successful affiliate marketing isn't about plastering your links everywhere. Instead, it's about offering genuine value and seamlessly integrating your affiliate links within that. Remember, your audience values quality content, so strive to create and share content that they find interesting and helpful. Within this content, you can incorporate your affiliate links naturally and effectively. Pitfall 2. Expecting overnight success. Affiliate marketing, like any other business, requires time, patience, and dedication. You're building a brand, nurturing an audience, and establishing trust, and all of this takes time. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate success. Keep going, keep improving, and keep learning. Every piece of content you share, every interaction with your audience, is a step closer to your goals. With persistence and perseverance, success will come. Pitfall 3. Ignoring SEO. Ignoring SEO is like setting sail without a compass. It's crucial to ensure your content gets seen by the right people, and SEO plays a key role in that. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can increase its visibility and reach a larger audience. Use relevant keywords in your content and create SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. But remember, while SEO is crucial, it's not the only thing that matters. Quality content and audience engagement are equally important. So strive to find a balance. So there we have it, a comprehensive beginner's guide to Fiverr's affiliate marketing program. As you can see, it presents a compelling opportunity to earn money online, provided you approach it strategically and with the right mindset. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight, but with perseverance, dedication, and by following the tips we've shared, you can turn your digital platform into a passive income stream. So why wait? Start your Fiverr affiliate marketing journey today. And with that, we've reached the end of this guide. We hope it has shed some light on how you can become a successful Fiverr affiliate. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content, and feel free to share this video with your friends who might also be interested in affiliate marketing. Happy earning, and we'll see you in our next guide.